Hello and welcome back to my channel. So if you remember last time we worked out how to make a screen in the turtle module. We worked out how it will work in the turtle module. So we put a background. If you remember, let me just show you. F5. Second, my computer's really slow today. There you go. Okay. It shows. Hurry up. Yes. It shows there's this a picture that I've chosen, the background color. It shows a title, and you can you can show a height. Right now it's too hard to notice. Let me do 300 and 500. Oops, not 5,000, 500. Yeah. And obviously you see the change. So we learned how to do that. Today, I bring you how to import pygame. Now, trust me, about a few weeks ago, I was like, okay, I give up. I don't know how to import pygame. But I worked out the simple way, and I'd like to share it with you. Now let's get started. So, if you're on Mac, open your terminal, and it should show your iMac, and then something like that. If you're on Windows, you can search up command prompt. Now, that's not for me, but for me, you can search up terminal in the spotlight, search it up, open it. Okay, then first you need to make sure that you've downloaded Python, and if you do, then type in pip install pygame. Now, if you already have it, it'll show. Yeah, it shows requirement already satisfied in the library. If you don't, it will not show that. It will start downloading pygame. Sometimes you may want to type pip3 pygame, install pygame, but for some reason that just doesn't work for me. If you see what happens, it just shows it works, it does that, and then it shows this bunch of red errors. But for me, it works with pip. And now, once you do that, it's to call it, you have to import pygame. Let me just make a new one. Right. Sorry. Yeah. Now you import pygame. Alright, let's go in plain text Python. Oops. For some reason I did PHP, whatever that is. Python, now that's import pygame. And if it works, let me just run it, you'll see pygame 1.9.6, hello from the pygame community, and then the website. So that's today's a short video, but that's all for today. And then you can go on and create all the cool games you want in pygame. So yeah, please subscribe, and until the next video, bye bye.